Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're unable to install a Windows Media Features pack and the error message might read Windows Update Standalone Installer. The update is not applicable to your computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And then next step, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung arrow na yan. Ito yung category, so click mo lang yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung large icons para makita natin lahat yung settings, so click lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung programs and features. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa left side menu, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung turn Windows features on or off. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up agad dito yung Windows features on or off settings. So ang next step, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung media features. Ito siya. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung box, check yung box. And then yung plus sign, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dapat naka-check din itong Windows Media Player. So once na-check mo na itong dalawa, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. At wait natin na ma-complete yung searching for required files process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na Windows completed the requested changes. So ang next step, so close lang natin dito, so close. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Ay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix unable to install Windows Media Feature Pack in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.